So you want to learn Linux, or you're forced to learn Linux. Linux can be very stressful, especially if you're the one that's responsible for a system and it's down. People are calling you. People are nagging you. When can I get at my work? What can happen? Blah, 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 blah. I learned Linux the hard way. I had to keep servers alive for web pages, several servers. But I learned valuable lessons. And I'm here to share them with you. And there are five essential things that is very important for anybody that wants to learn Linux. So here are the 5 things that you should focus on. No matter whether it's Unix, whether it's Linux, doesn't matter the distribution. These are very important. Number 1, the command line and the commands. This is where the real power of Linux lives. It can be very intimidating for some people. All they've ever used is GUI type apps. But this is where the real power lives. It's the single most important skill you can learn. Linux has thousands of commands, depending on the distribution. And with each distribution, the command set can change. However, with that said, each distribution has a set of common commands. The list is way too long to mention here, but some commands like ls, pwd, find, cp, mv, cat, grep, just to name a few. Early on when I was learning Linux, the person that was helping me with it gave me important advice. Each command does one thing and does it well. The real power is piping these together to make a complete new command. Understanding the Linux file system is another big step toward getting comfortable with Linux. Once you start recognizing how the system is laid out, you'll start recognizing where the distribution is derived from. With that said, all Linux systems share some common directory type structures. Everything starts at root, and that would be slash. That's where the whole system lies, is in root. Across every distribution, there's common file sets or common directory structures like etc, and where all the configuration files lie. There's var, var, /var. It's where most of the log files fall. /bin is where your common command sets live. And sbin is where all the admin type tools live. You don't need to memorize it, but you need to understand where everything lives so you can find it. And you're comfortable then with this. Number 3, learn the configuration files. In every home directory, there are files. These you may not see them. You may do a ls and may not see them. They're dot files. Dot files in Linux is kind of like a system file in DOS or Windows. You can't see it. Do an ls -a, you'll see them. But these dot files configure how your system starts up, configures how you interact with it, and there is a lot of stuff that you can do and change it the way you want it. Learn the configuration files. Learn your environment. It seems intimidating, and at first it is very intimidating, especially if you break something. So my recommendation or my advice to you as you're learning and changing things and trying things, make a copy of the file. Save it to a different name. You can always put it back. Lesson 4. Once you're comfortable with the command line and how commands link together and pipe together, you need to step into automation. That's a big, scary word, automation. But not really. You're going to script. Scripting is about taking things that you do over and over and over again and make it to where you only hit one command and it actually does it. It reduces error, saves you time. The simplest scripting in Linux is using Bash. But in Bash, you can include scripting languages like sed and awk and make some really powerful tool sets. You don't need to master these tools. You need to understand them. Again, I'm going to go back to each tool, each command. Do one thing and do it well. Number 5 is the single most important thing you can do to learn Linux. Use it. Get out there every day. Practice. Break something. Fix it. Pull up a terminal. ls minus a. ls minus l. Look. See what you do. ls pipe to grep. And look for a word. Use the system. Use the system. And before too long, you will be very proficient at it. I'm hoping that I earned your subscription today. Like, share. It really helps the channel. I'm going to start a new series called Linux Lesson of the Day. I'm going to go into different commands. I've done this. I've worked in either Unix or Linux since 1992. I ran a web serve company. I was the system admin for 30 servers back way before AI, way before automation of any type. There wasn't no help anywhere. I had to learn. Thank you. Appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you.